Today we're going to be learning about linear functions and programming. First, we're going to learn about arithmetic sequences. And arithmetic is a set of terms changing by a constant difference. To solve, you can either use recursive and explicit. Recursive, you're going to need to know your sequence to plug it in to give your answer. Explicit, all you have to do is substitute one of your terms. Here, our sequence is adding 6 each time. So to solve for your recursive, you would add in your 6, then your term to get your answer. Same thing is with geometric, except geometric is multiplying each time instead of adding or subtracting. Now we're going to learn about methods of solving system of equations. There are 3 ways you can do this: graphing, substitution, or elimination. Today we're going to learn about graphing. To graph, you would use your linear function. Here we have an example of y equals negative 2x minus 1, and then 4y equals 4x plus 8. To graph, first you would plot your y equals negative 2x minus 1. Here is your y-intercept. So you'd make a dot right here. Then you would go down 2 over 1 and continue to do that. Then, for here, you need to get y by itself. So you would take 4 and divide your whole equation over here by 4. So your new equation is y equals 1x plus 2. Now graph. To find your answer, you would find where the 2 lines meet. Your 2 lines here, for example, would meet at negative 1, 1. This is your solution. Now we're going to learn about linear programming. Here's an example. Suppose a factory manufactures only stools and chairs, and that the profit of one stool is $25 and on one chair is $45. Each stool requires 1 cushion and 2 arms to legs pieces of stock. Each chair requires 2 cushions and 2 arms / legs pieces of stock. Suppose that you have only 12 cushions and 18 arms and legs pieces of stock. How many stools and how many chairs would you build to maximize profit? So first, you need to find your variables. Here we have x is the number of stools and y is the number of chairs. From there, you need to write your objective function. Our objective function would be each stool is $25 plus each chair is $45. From here, you need to write your constraints. Your constraints here would be, this would be the number of stools that is greater than 0, the number of chairs that is greater than 0, 1 stool and 2 chairs use a maximum of 12 cushions, 2 stools and 2 chairs use a maximum of 18 arms and leg pieces.